Hi guys, here's part 2 of the video for Friday, April 17th. Part 2, we're going to go over number 7 and number 8 from the assessment. Again, you're still writing an equation in slope-intercept form, so we're still trying to write y equals mx plus b. So our answer over here is going to be an equation y equals, so I already know it's going to be y equals, so I'm going to just go ahead and write that for both of them, because I know for both of these it has to be y equals something times x plus the b. So again, the two things that we're trying to find the m and the b. Now they don't actually give us the slope, the m, but they do give us two ordered pairs. And we know that if we have two ordered pairs, we can use this formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, to get the slope. So number 7, these were the two ordered pairs that they gave us. So I'm just gonna plug these in. Remember, this is your x1, y1, and this is your x2 and your y2. So I'm going to do negative 6 minus 6 and 5 minus 9. So I get negative 6 minus 6. It's going to give me negative 12. And 5 minus 9 is going to give me negative 4. So I get negative 12 divided by negative 4. You just reduce that. So negative 12 divided by negative 4 gives you 3. So if I know now that my slope is 3, then I can come over here and I can say, okay, well, I'm just going to write that. And I'm also going to write it m equals 3. And I know that this is going to be y equals 3 times x. So again, the only thing I'm missing is the b. So I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to say, okay, look, if my m equals 3, and I have these ordered pairs up here, so I can go ahead and do exactly what I did in the last problem. I can say, okay, I need an x, I need a y, and an m. I have all of those things. I'm going to choose this as my point that I'm going to use, 9, 6, and 3. And again, b is the only thing that we're missing. So I'm going to plug all of those in. So the y equals mx plus b, the whole goal is to solve for b. Okay, that's the only thing I'm missing. Remember, that's my quiz over there. Y equals 3x. I just need a b. So I'm going to plug all these in. There's 6, 3, 9 plus b. 6 equals 3 times 9 is 27. Whoa, that's a weird 7. Plus b. Subtract 27 from both sides. And that's going to cancel out. 6 minus 27 gives me negative 21 equals b. So if I have my b and I have my m, then I can write an equation. So my equation, again, remember, it has to be in slope-intercept form. My m was 3 and my b was negative 21. So that means right over here, I just write negative 21. That's it. All right, and let's look at number 8. Again, number 8, they give you the two ordered pairs. And again, we're going to have to use the slope formula because remember, the whole point of this is we need an m and we need a b so that we can write it here on our quiz. So I'm going to go ahead again. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So I do 10 minus negative 6 over negative 1 minus 3. 10 minus negative 6, remember that actually changes to adding the opposite. So it's actually just 10 plus 6, which gives you 16. And negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. 16 divided by negative 4 reduces to negative 4. So there's my m. And then I'm just going to choose one of these points. It really does not matter which one. I'm just going to go with the second one this time. Again, it doesn't matter which one you choose. So my x is negative 1. My y is 10, and my b is negative 4. And now I'm going to plug everything in to y equals mx plus b to solve for the missing part, which in this case is b. Remember, we found our m was negative 4. Now we're just trying to find the b. So my y is 10. My m is, oops, I'm sorry. This was m, not b. I apologize. My m was negative 4, and my x is negative 1. plus b. And 10 equals -4 times -1 is going to be 4 plus b. Subtract your 4 from both sides. 10 minus 4 is 6. So 6 equals b. So my b equals 6. And then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to write those two things down. So I got m is equal to -4. And my b was equal to 6. So that means now I can write in the equation. So again, the equation is in y equals mx plus b. So I put the m. So my m was -4 times x plus 6. And I'm done. And that's how you do 5, 6, 7, and 8. So on the assessment or on the Google form today, you're going to be doing various different things. I might ask you to find the slope between 2 points. I might ask you to solve for b, and then I'll probably ask you to do a problem kind of like 7 or 8 where you're doing everything together. Okay, so just make sure you watch the video and you know exactly how to do all of this. All right, good luck. Have a great weekend.